Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chef here. Today we're doing quick, easy, spicy beef bulgogi. This dish is very delicious, it's got terrific flavor, so let's just get started. Let's run through all the ingredients I have here. I think this is about a pound of beef, thinly sliced, large green onion. If you have regular small green onions, use about 4. I have a ton of garlic, I don't know, like 8 cloves. Sesame oil, gochugaru, hot pepper flakes, light soy sauce, and gochujang. Get rid of this outer layer, it's a little dry. It's nice and clean. I think I'm gonna dispose of this, and not too appetizing. Doesn't have to be too fine. So now we have this. I don't normally use, particular measurements on this one, because you just have to develop a certain feeling for the ingredients you like, so that it'll be pleasurable to you, first of all. But on the video, I'll just use this tablespoon, so if you would like to have some guideline, here it is. So maybe start with 1.5. So we use sesame seed oil. We'll also need to use gochujang. To get gochujang off the spoon easier, I'm going to start with sesame seed oil because it's gonna help me slide it out, and I'm gonna use this anyway, right? So 1, 2, 2.5. Gochujang, in theory, should be much easier. Yeah, well, it was a little bit easier. Go with like 1.5 tablespoon. Soy sauce, just give it a good coverage. And now we mix. There you go. You can marinate this in the refrigerator overnight, couple hours, whatever time you've got. This is my quick meal. So one of the tips is don't cook meat straight out of the refrigerator. And because this meat needs to come up to room temperature before I cook it anyway, I'm just gonna let it sit here, cover it with foil, let it come up to room temperature, and that will be just the time that I will marinate it for. There you go. Alright guys, so it's been some time. This meat is at room temperature, looking beautiful. On a high heat, I got my pan here, going with a couple tablespoons of sesame seed oil. Nicely coat the pan. We're going right in. Just spread it nice and even, and don't flip it for a while. Just let it fry a little. Wow, this smells so good. Once again, just lay it out nice and flat like this. Continue frying each side until it's done. How to tell if the meat is done? Go ahead and give it a push with a spatula. If it feels bouncy and firm enough, Yep. Get a piece and try it. Wow. This is done. Well, it is time to try it. It is really good. Don't worry, it is not too spicy, but the gochujang and gochugaru together give this amazing flavor. I like this dish with an egg. I like to dip meat in this egg. Oh yeah, this is the one. Well, this is it for this particular recipe. Thank you so much for watching, as always. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please take care, I wish you nothing but the best, and I'll see you next time.